I got the girls a cat toy today. And Cadence is scared of it. The poor baby. She keeps pushing away and hiding from it. I don't think she understands. Oh. Cadence, play. Just paw at it. Aphrodite can do it. Why can't you? Is it because you don't like feathers? Do you just not like feathers like your mom? It's not going to hurt you, see? Look. Very gentle. See? It doesn't hurt. It just feels a little weird, yeah? There you go. See? Oh! Oh! Baby, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, Bean. The poor Bean. Aphrodite. She likes the feathers at least. Oh, good catch, good catch. You got a feather, huh? Let me get that. Let me help you. You're already tearing this poor thing up. Or at least she is, but she seems to enjoy it. It's on your tail. Oh, you gonna eat? Are you getting it, Cadence? Do you want to try? Did you see your mom play with it? Look at how much fun. Don't be scared of it. Don't be scared. You gonna drink? You gonna drink from the cool dude? Alright, I get it. It's not playtime for you. Alright.